The average Ikwere or Oba man in River State claim Benin origin, hanging their origin on a supposed Benin migrant called Akalaka. Now, the name Akalaka has no meaning in Benin, but it means destiny in almost all Igbo dialects. All the communities founded by Akalaka and his descendants speak Igbo language and were named in Igbo language. These alone tell their origin as being originally Igbos and were only on reverse migration back to Igbo land when Benin became unfavorable for them as traders or due to town wars. Onitsha, for example, is said to have been founded by a Benin man named Ezechima. Now, both names are Igbo names, and all the communities founded by Ezechima and his descendants are Igbo-speaking communities. None can hear a word in Bini, but they can understand other Igbos when they speak. This is a pointer to their origin, and it's a claim of their migration from cosmopolitan Benin of old.